What I'm cooking today is I'm gonna try the blooming ube or purple yam in English. So I'm gonna bake today purple yam cupcake or muffin, or in Bisaya maghimo ko og puto nga ube flavor. So this is what I'm doing. Now I'm finished peeling the purple yam, so I'm gonna slice it so thin before we put them in our steamer. First is I'm gonna put this in the, I wash it first before I put in the steam. Our sliced purple yam, it can go here in the steamer. We're gonna steam it first, okay, to 15 to 20 minutes. Two cups all-purpose flour, 1, 2, 3. 3 tablespoons cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. There you go. Okay, and mix well together. So it's all combined, all the mixtures that we put in here. And then after we mix all the ingredients, then add 1 cup of sugar. Okay, 1 cup of sugar. And then add 3/4 cup of milk, or either powdered milk if you have, or any kind of milk, but this time I used evaporated milk. So, and then 1/3 cup of oil. As you can see, this is 1/3 cup oil. Okay, and then we will mix 1/2 teaspoon pinch of salt. Okay, just like that. And then we will mix well until it combines all the ingredients. So our all-purpose flour and cornstarch and baking powder and then milk. So this is the result. So it's all combined now. So, and then I put this set aside. As you can see, our purple yam is very soft already. So it is steamed well nicely. So it's very soft and it's ready to mash. Okay. So after I steam the purple yam or ube, this is what happened. Okay, parang na siyang mashed potato. Okay, here's what it look like. This is the result of our steamed purple yam. So what I should do after I ready to mash it nicely, put it here gently. And then now, as you can see, here's the result of our steamed purple yam. Looks yummy. You must try to do this, guys. Easy recipe, easy to follow. So stay tuned to my channel and keep subscribe and click the bell button for more notifications when I upload a new video. So okay, this is my measurement. So slowly and gentle, slowly but surely, to fill up the cup. Not so much, just enough. Making sure that your steaming is sizzling hot already, because otherwise it takes so long to wait to the hot water to boil. So make it sure. So wait for 10 to 15 minutes. So guys, after I put the purple yam inside the steamer, I cover the top in a cloth or clean towel, kitchen towel, to avoid our puto inside to get watery, because the water in the bottom, it will condense at the top of the lid. So it's another tactics to make our puto soft and moist inside while it's steaming. It's very delicious, honestly. You must try to cook this. Absolutely. Food is life. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.